Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming location and camera access so the app can record the environment. This matters because scans need accurate position and visuals. Once done, move within the stop's interaction radius and open the Pokestop details. You'll see a camera or scan button. Tap that to start the scan process. Make sure your phone is steady and hold it at chest to eye level so the app can lock onto surfaces and anchors quickly. You now perform the actual capture. Move the phone slowly in a circular arc to record different angles, because the algorithm stitches multiple viewpoints into a stable 3D representation. Make sure to include nearby objects and textures. That's why landmarks help the system match the stop reliably. If the app asks for extra passes, do them calmly. Rushing causes blur and failed scans. Once the progress indicator fills, the app will process the data locally. After you submit, the app validates and uploads the scan. You'll get a confirmation when complete, and the Pokestops data improves for AR features. If the scan fails, make sure the app is updated, camera and location permissions are enabled, and lighting is adequate, because those are the most common problems. As a troubleshooting tip, restart the app or phone and try a slower, wider sweep from a slightly different distance. That usually resolves capture and processing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.